Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Crypto Chester, and today I'm here to talk to you about the one and the only Turbo. Today we're going to be going through Turbo and breaking this down from a technical analysis standpoint, looking at where this asset could actually be going because we have seen a little bit of a decline recently over the last week or so. So let's break this down together. So the market cap for Turbo has unfortunately lost $500 million, currently priced at around 490. Over the last day, it's down around 4%. Over the last 7 days, near enough 16% in terms of a decline. Not looking that juicy here. Pretty sad to see, but there is some news on this, guys. You can see that, well, I did some research online here, and I'm not sure if you can see this on the screen on the right hand, but unfortunately, the Turbo team has actually sold 10% of their tokens here, and that is why we have seen quite a decline in the price. Now, that could mean quite a few things. Obviously, Turbo is still the leader in the, well, it's the first AI crypto to ever be created, right? So that is a niche in itself, and it is made for the people. But the fact that the team is gone or sold its supply isn't that bullish. But it could be bullish because you see coins like WIF, Pepe, other meme coins like that. When the devs get out, it's the massive CTO, right? And then it just runs up from there. So that could be something that is going to happen with Turbo. And we will go into the chart very shortly because I want to discuss with you guys where we think this could be going in light of the new news. But if we look at the yearly, basically all time here, you can see the chart doesn't look too bad, okay? It really doesn't look too bad. If we're looking at the all-time high market cap, it was around $800 million. Yes, we just lost $500 million, but we're still above basically 400. As long as we're above like 100 mil market cap as a meme coin, it's got legs this run, okay? So being near enough or south of $500 million right now, it's not that bad, okay? It's not that bad. It's nothing really to be panicking about. If anything, it's a buying zone. It's a DCAing zone. And let's go into the chart, guys. Just quickly, if you have lost money with Turbo and you've been in the trenches for a while and you're sat there like, oh, God, I'm dying here, look at this project that is about to launch, guys. It's $40 million in a raise so far in this pre-sale. And you can see this is the last chance to buy before major centralized exchange listings. We're talking Binance. I actually sort of read an article about Pepe Unchained basically saying that they could be listing on Coinbase right out the gate here. Obviously, speculatively speaking at the moment, but potentially some big gains to be had there. And you can see this asset is launching in 18 days' time. Okay, 18 days time. Unbelievable stuff. They are basically a blockchain project that is built on Ethereum. It's basically Pepe now has its own blockchain, and it's built specifically for the future of meme coins. Okay, so meme coins will be built on this platform, which is obviously huge for volume, huge for the project. And they're going to have their own DEX, bridge, block explorer staking, dev grants for other projects, and they do have anti-rug pull technology, guys. So definitely super, super bullish on this thing. And you can see, as I said, $40 million raised. Ethereum, USDT card, if you want to get involved, all you need to do, connect your wallet and basically choose whichever currency you want to exchange for Pepe Unchained token, and get involved with this pre-sale before it's too late. No, before the launch here. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys because there is definitely money to be made there. Unlike Turbo over the last few weeks, right? Now, moving on to the Turbo chart, guys, because let's break this down together here. So we have seen a little bit of upside here over the last sort of couple of hours or so. You can see that we have seen a bit of a bounce. This green area here is where the support currently lies. Yes, we've tested this to the downside with a bit of confidence, I must say. But you can see from a momentum standpoint, you can see we actually saw a 52% gain from this area. So statistically, usually we cut that in half and it gives us a good sort of idea of momentum from this zone. Again, we have only just tapped this, so we could see this thing come up. I probably would expect instead of 25%, I would really be going for sort of a 12.45% move. We're seeing 1.67 at the moment. So this leaves us with a roughly around a 6.62% move here for Turbo. And to really capitalize on that, I probably would wait to clear the 21 and then long straight off the 21 for around 5% up to the 55. That would be the easiest trade, in my opinion. You can see that we've got obviously overextended momentum to the downside. Stochastic's looking pretty neutral, and you can see we've got the AI arrows telling us that we're due some bullish momentum here, which isn't too bad. And you can see these guys actually react really, really well here, and give us pretty strong little moves to the upside here when they do come into fruition. Okay, so definitely something to do some research on, guys. I would say Turbo is still on the cards for a Billy. Okay, I do think there is a Billy here still to be had with this asset. It's just sort of how long is it going to take for us to get there? That's the real question that everyone is asking right now. As I said, all-time highs up at $800 million there. Maybe we can smash a Billy, but first we need to really continue here. The biggest bounce points and the point of structure for the macro market structure for us here would be this area. If we get down to this area, it's basically just a flat out buy this, sell your house, sell your dog scenario, and just long this asset to the moon. I do think we have got a really, really nice bullish momentum just from this zone in general. Yes, sometimes we do lose it, but after seeing basically a downtrend like that, it's very unlikely that we don't pump back up, especially in this market, guys. Okay, especially in this market. So yeah, let me know what you think of Turbo in the comment section, and also drop a little like and leave a subscribe. Leave a subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, because we're uploading every single day here over on Crypto News. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.